Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwodin, they explain, say even if you build your house finish, you fit still do survey for the land and also do your CFO. It constantly explain the benefit where you fit still get from government if you get CFO for your property. So make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwodin. Enjoy the video.
Like there's more the team of engineers. Yes, like as I've earlier said, this Comrade Stanley Osakwunokwodin, the coordinator general to Diaspora Connect Worldwide. As I've earlier said, even in an existing building where somebody is already living in, you can still survey and embark on certificate of occupancy. Why did you need certificate of occupancy? One, it gives you the opportunity to be able to take facilities from the bank. Secondly, if government want to acquire this area for variety of public interest, you must be adequately compensated. Thirdly, it gives you security of property. There are so many benefits, so numerous to mention. Now, the first part of it is the survey. You can see we are establishing the first survey station. This is the first survey station. This is the second site for today. After now, we are still going to the third one. Now, this is it. How many grams? How many days? This is the second survey station, and we are getting the length. This is 100 by 100. We have about 80 something here, 100 and something here, which makes it 100 by 100. So this is what we do. We are going to establish the second survey station. Back up. So, as you can see, people are in the bush trying to get the third, which is the length of the structure. So as I've earlier said, this is what we do. So in an existing building, you can as well request and apply for CFO. What you do first is your survey plan, as I've earlier mentioned, and as far as we are concerned, Osakwunokwodin can give you a well-organized survey, technically done, professionally done, and will launch every of our survey. Our survey station and numbers are directly from the government, which makes it very legitimate. So on our part, we're going to do the right thing. We expect you to patronize us. Once again, I remember humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osakwunokwodin, the Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect, and the Chief Executive Officer, Stanley Sadi Enterprise. Bye for now.
I hope say you understand everything wey Stanley Osaze don explain for this video. You hear am when he talk say even if you don't build your house finish, say you dey live for the house, you fit still do your CFO, you fit still do survey. So make I leave you now, make you help us share this video to the people wey no know anything about CFO or survey. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, abeg try make you subscribe, so that anytime I upload video to this my YouTube channel, you go be the first person to see am. Make you for no dey miss very important information wey dey come from Edo State or Nigeria. Subscribe now so that make you dey current. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.